18.
I'm just gonna leave my other bag in here.
What are you doing, sweetheart?
Okay, hello everybody. So this is pretty exciting. We finally made it back to our house here. And in behind us here is our house. There's building 11 and just on the other side. But the last time we came here, it rained and rained and rained, and it's gonna rain. We got lots of things to do here tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain here again. It just rained here a little bit now. I'm gonna try getting my drone up in the air and let's see if we can take some pictures of this place. Okay, let's hurry up here. Come on, my love.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this thing in there. So there's evidence here, like they just turned over the titles to our house here starting July 30th or 31st, so 2 weeks ago. And you can already see evidence that people are in here starting to finish their houses. Everybody just has a cement shell inside. So there's my beautiful wife with my beautiful little car in the background there. So come on, babe. Let's go see what's in behind here.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's a pretty big cloud coming. And my drone really doesn't like the rain. So we're going to try making a quick fly around here.
Right here, huh? We together.
So here we are. I got the drone up in the air and gonna leave the GoPro on so we can narrate what's happening as we go along, but we don't have much time here, so let's get the show on the road. Okay, so
yeah, let's go. Let's go. Good luck.
There we go. If we look down here, there's a whole bunch of single family houses. There's the road we drove in on. So, and yeah, we'll just take another little pan around here. And you can see just a lot of green space. If you look on GPS maps, you can see a lot of green space around our place, in behind our space. That's how you can tell where. I can find it on Google Maps easy. So
summer day, but I wanna go home. I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. No, but I wanna go home.
Oh yeah, we gotta hurry up and get my drone home here.
Good, take it.
Okay. Shit.
Where's our?
Anyway, we gotta dry this thing off. I think it's not very happy because it was in the rain. Well, everything's wet, but I got in my quick little fly. So let's get out of here.
Let's go. It's cool. Every day I'm doing. Oh, okay, turn off.
To dry. But this camera here, that's the good thing about a GoPro, is a GoPro, you can go swimming with this stupid thing. You can go underneath the water with it, but that DJI drone is no good, and we want to buy the DJI little Pocket 3. We tried buying that yesterday, but they're all sold out. I want to go around in the front by the lake.
Oh, okay.
We were already back there. I just want to go by the lake in the front here and just have a quick little look. But like I said, though I can see many now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's lots of people have already started to finishing their houses here. There's evidence of it. At our house here this morning, and you can just hear the sound. You can just hear the sounds of construction. Yeah, go this way, babe. Oh. Yeah, you can just hear. It is so busy. The people are getting their houses all fixed up. So yes, well, this is it. Yeah. So look at that. So this is a view out of our balcony right there.
Beautiful.
There's the view when I open up my eyes in the morning. I see this beautiful woman. Okay, beautiful woman, beautiful view. So I get a little better view now. Now look at this.
Hi.
You know, could you imagine waking up to this every day, my love? You know,
Oh, yes.
and
Every day we wake up like this.
yeah, and the developer.
Many people decorating, though.
Yeah, and the developer told us today that these houses, these apartments in the front, they're all sold out. All these ones here, they're all sold out. And the ones in the back, they still got places to sell. So you can see the two green places. There's one single green here, and then you look up above, there's two green there. Ours is in the middle somewhere there. So there's already people in there finishing their houses, and we're coming here tomorrow. We'll get the title to our house, and but you know, I wish it was sunny out right now, and but it's still just absolutely gorgeous here. Like, to look out in the front, here, and to be able to look out our front patio or our bedroom window every morning. This is our this is it. No, this is our dream house. So, and no, so I can't believe, you know, how happy. I know we're going to be happy here. I know, absolutely know it. But I can't, you know, these single family houses in the middle, I hope they fill up. There's a lot of places to sell here. So, but the housing prices have come down here in China, so it's making it more affordable for people to buy our houses. We may have paid a little bit more than what you can buy now. You might be able to get a little bit better deal, but not by much. The last time we were here a few months ago, it's about similar price to what we paid 2 years ago. The people up on the top floor up there, they're decorating already, and the people over on the top floor over there, they're decorating. So it's going to be a busy place. So, you know, our contractor told us today in our meeting that our place will be ready by Christmas time, New Year's. Our house will be finished. So, you know, when we come back here to start living 3 months a year, be ready for us here next spring. So, and hopefully there's already all these other houses, you know, these people that are already working on their houses, they'll be finished and living in their houses too. So it'll take a little while for this great big place to fill up, because there's a lot of houses here. But oh, I am just bouncing off the walls happy, you know. Here, deep.
You can fish in here.
Well, no, it says no fishing right here. Little sign says no fishing. So, but it's the grounds are beautifully kept. This is a brand new development. Oh, there's lights on over there, and you can see. We've seen a video there before where the grandmas and the aunties are out in the front there in the evening, and they're exercising and everything like that there. So we got to walk around the lake, a basketball court, a hiking trail, redwood court, pedestrian entrance, parking, and buildings 12 to 23. But we're told that, like, this is a little Hong Kong, Macau, but you know, this license plate here, you can tell there's a Macau by the yellow license plate, and then that green one up there, that's a power car, just like our car. It has a green license plate, and this car here's got a yellow license plate. So these people are from Macau too. So there's a lot of people from Macau and Hong Kong that are buying places up here. And that one there, you can see the lights on right there, and that's a show home that we've been in before, and we've made videos about that place before, because it is the exact same floor plan as to what our house is there. So pretty exciting, and I hope you guys all come along and join our little adventure as we go through this process. It's been a pretty easy process, I think. We got a good contractor, and he's going to take care of everything for us. But yeah, just look at the view. You know, just like a park-like setting, and We're along a really busy highway. We're along a really busy highway, and you can't even hear the noise from out in the front. We're far off the highway. And like I say, there's a mountain range in behind us here with that little lake that I showed you with my drone. And we'll have lots of places to walk and get exercise.
That is our home.
That's our home, yeah.
This is our dream home. When we retire, for sure, we are 365 days a year.
Oh, yes. 365 days a year. This is where we're going to plant ourselves here.
Yes.
This will be our home base for, we plan, if you're new, this is our retirement. Yeah, but this is our retirement hobby, is to make videos for you guys. And we're going to travel around, and we're going to make videos for you guys all the time. My wife is going to do a little cooking once in a while. And I